Sometimes they will perform, sometimes not. Allison, can you lay your package down so you can sing? We'll get our way in a meter. You're not going to be able to sing with that. All right. We have been practicing 3 different Christmas carols, and since there's only 6 or 7 of us, we do welcome you to sing along with us if you'd like. But we're going to try and use our big voices. Right, boys and girls? All right. Here we go. Ready? Sorry, want to be in the... Go ahead. Danielle, you want to do Jingle Bells with us? No. Jingle Bells. All right. Ready? Okay, you can go loud now. Go loud. Ready? All right. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Whoa! Fred! Move off! There you go, Fred. You got it? All right, tap your knees. Here we go. Ready? Dashing through. Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. O'er the field we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! Bell, bell, bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey! Yay! All right, ready? One more. Ready? Go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy